Prestone's Car Care series. I'm Gabby.
And I'm Kent.
And we're here to teach you how to keep your car in tip-top shape with some simple and useful tips.
Now remember, Gabby, in the previous videos, we've learned how to check your brake fluid in the convenience of your own garage. However, this method can only confirm whether your brake fluid is contaminated or not.
Yes, so to check the condition of your brake fluid's boiling point, it is vital that you go and visit the Prestone Service Center partners. Well, Kent, please tell us more about it.
Yes, Gabby. At Prestone Service Center Partners, you can have the mechanic check the boiling point of your brake fluid using a tester. Now, this tester will indicate the brake fluid's boiling point and if it's time to change your brake fluid. First, the mechanic will clean the master cylinder before opening it. Then he will dip a probe into the cylinder. Now, this will measure the boiling point. He will then press the control switch continuously while the probe is completely submerged. This will take approximately 10 to 15 seconds. And then after, the meter will show the boiling point of your brake fluid. If the boiling point of your brake fluid is normal, the mechanic will probably recommend a top-up. But if the boiling point is lower than 180 degrees Celsius, you'll have to flush out your fluid and replace it. Now you know how to have your brake fluid checked by the mechanic. See, it's that simple. You just got your car's brake fluid tested. Now, to find out more about caring for your car's brake system, watch the other Prestone Car Care videos.
Yes. Remember, make it a habit to check your brake fluid often. The right thing to do is top up regularly and to flush and fill at least once a year after the warranty period.
And you know what, Gab, was the best part of this one?
So what is the best part?
It's all for free!
Woohoo!
And of course, for more information, follow us on Facebook. That's www.facebook.com/Prestone Philippines.
Yes. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe on the road always. And remember, protect it, Prestone it.